Ready when you are, CD. And we are rolling. To the great movie ride. Once again, my name is Christina, and I'll be taking you from this Hollywood soundstage right through some of the greatest movies of all time. All on one tour. And just between you and me, this is no ordinary tour because the great movie ride brings these movies to life and puts you right in the middle of the action. First, let's visit 33 with Busby Berkeley's extravaganza Footlight Parade. Starring James Cagney, Ruby Keeler, and Dick Powell. Busby Berkeley was famous for showcasing his chorus girls. He figured that if he had all of these beautiful women dancing for him, he may as well let the audience see them too. In 1952, Gene Kelly was Singing in the Rain with Debbie Reynolds and Donald O'Connor. You know that Gene Kelly co-directed this film? And not many people know this, but he was running a 103-degree fever during the filming of this sequence. And can anyone tell me what movie this is? That's right, it's Walt Disney's Academy Award-winning film Mary Poppins, starring Julie Andrews as Miss Van Dyke. Julie Andrews won an Oscar for her portrayal of an Annie who was practically perfect in every way. Hang on to those wallets and purses, folks. This does not look like a very good neighborhood. In fact, it looks a lot like the underworld, the scene of this classic gangster film, That's the Public Enemy, starring one of my favorite tough guys, Jimmy Cagney.
You've been living over for a while. You need time.
Dirty No Good Hill Valley School.
Although Cagney is most well known as one of the movie's greatest gangsters, he
it.
won only Oscar for his role as song and dance man George M. Cohan in Yankee Doodle Dandy.
Dirty double crossing. Open up in there, you hear me? Listen, Mom. We got a little business to settle.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, the very last time. Judge comes around, he's going to leave you be here, he's going to take it. You're going to kick in with the dog. If you don't, somebody's going to drop by here and take your teeth out one at a time.
Sorry for the delay, folks, but I don't want to run a red light, even if it is just a movie. You talking to me? You talking to me?
No, dollface. I'm talking to the dancer when you're looking out for me. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Come in.
I'm not supposed to leave my vehicle.
I said get over here.
Okay, Mike, do whatever you say.
Hey, how'd you know my name anyway? It's on, see? And your fancy cars might take care of you something. I said, I'm out of here. You're going to get hurt. Go on. Here they come, boss. Get out, you grinders. Everybody just sit tight. Running the red lights against the law, and I never break the law. Hey, Mac, watch this. No more red lights. I'll see you in church.
What are you looking at? Everybody just mind your P's and Q's and maybe nobody will get hurt. Whoa. This must be the west side of town, huh?
And now, the Old West, and two of Hollywood's legendary stars, Clint Eastwood and John Wayne.
A long time ago, I made video rules. Let people do what they want.
Sleepy little bug, ain't it?
That's a mighty tough territory you're getting into, Pilgrim. I'd think about turning back if I was you. That is, if you want my opinion.
Alright, now that we're in the clear, it's time for me to collect up all your valuables. I'm gonna start with the jewelry, and then work my way to the...
It's the bank robber! Don't let him get away! Drop the gun! You're under arrest!
You gotta catch me first, copper. Hey, this is nuts.
Get yourself up!
That's it.
The truck will go easy on
I'm
you!
getting out of here. Hey, leave it this way. It can't get any worse. Okay, it's worse. Hey, I don't know about you guys, but this place is kind of giving me the creeps. What is this?
This is Alien. You are with Sigourney Weaver aboard the spaceship Nostromo. Something has gone wrong. One by one, the crew has vanished. And somewhere in the ship, a terrifying creature waits to claim its next victim.
Hey, look, pal, I ain't no victim.
Warning, remain in your vehicle. The area you are entering is extremely dangerous. Proceed with caution.
The emergency distress system is now activated. The ship will detonate in T-minus 10. The option to override all expires T-minus
5. There it is again! Okay. That's enough creepy crawly things for one day, right?
Wrong! Here in Raiders of the Lost Ark, amid 1,000 deadly snakes, Indiana Jones unearths a great treasure. Will Harrison Ford escape with his discovery? And what will be your fate? Beware.
Snakes. Why'd it have to be snakes?
The dust of 3,000 years lies undisturbed in this ancient burial chamber. On the chest of the great stone god, a priceless jewel.
Wow. Get a load of that junk eyes. Time for me to get back to work. Don't nobody move while I go get the goods. You see, I don't think they've noticed a few extra bodies around here. You know what I mean?
But the jewel is guarded by a curse, and those who dare defy that curse must pay with their lives.
Unbeliever, disturb the treasure of the gods, and you shall all pay with your lives.
just to show that anything can happen in the movies. Now let's get on with this show. I see dead people. So horror film is my all-time favorite genre. Some of the best horror movies were produced back in the 1930s and 40s. And monsters, mutants, and maniacs are still audience favorites and continue to haunt us today. Look, I ruined money, so it's first, rap stars. We're now entering the jungle home of one of the most beloved characters of all time. No, it's not Rose of the Jungle. Actually, it's Tarzan, portrayed here by Johnny Weissmuller. Over here we have Marina Sullivan as Jane and the lovely and talented Cheetah as herself. Louis, I think this is the beginning of a beautiful friendship. That's the last line of a movie ever. Humphrey Bogart and Ingrid Bergman in the classic romance Casablanca. The last line of this film wasn't even thought of until 2 weeks after production wrapped. They had to call Bogart back to re-record the dialogue.
It always had plans. It didn't win. They lost it. You came to Casablanca. We got it back for us.
And here's one of my favorite movie stars. Mickey Mouse in one of his greatest roles as the Sorcerer's Apprentice in Fantasia. The sorcerer in this sequence is named Yen Sid, which is Disney spelled backwards. Toto, I have a feeling we're not in Kansas anymore. Now, how often do you get to say that? I'd say we're definitely somewhere over the rainbow in one of the most beloved films of all time. The Wizard of Oz. Which way do we go? Follow the yellow brick road. So why didn't I begin that? Sing along, folks. You know the words. Movies out there just waiting for you to discover. And here are just a few of my favorites.
problem, officer?
I'm gonna make him an offer he can't refuse.
I'll be back.
We're not in Kansas anymore. Hello, gorgeous. I want you to know that we have faces. Fasten your seatbelt. It's going to be a bumpy night.
On behalf of the Disney MGM-Studios, I'd like to thank you for joining us on the Great Movie Ride. Now, before we wrap this production, we still have one scene left. It's called The Exit. After the end, a few remaining scenes until we come to a complete stop. Then gather up all your personal belongings and take 12 children by the hand. When these doors open, rise dramatically to your feet to make your grand exit directly towards the rear of the vehicle.